And we're back. This time I'm going to show you one way to create a sunburst effect in Illustrator. You can use the same colors that I use, just copy the hex code or simply use your own. Let us first activate the start tool, use the arrow keys until you've got only a triangle, hold shift, then reposition it. As long as your smart guides are activated, you will find the center position. Then drag it downwards, hold Alt when you resize it from right to left. And the other side will automatically be adjusted. And that should be fine. Go to Effect, Distort and Transform, and then Transform. This menu will pop up. Click on Preview, add some copies and an angle. What you can see right now is a problem. We don't want that, as we have the center position activated. We want to have the top point as our rotation anchor point. Now let us increase the angle. Maybe that's fine. So we've got 19 copies and the original 20 times 18 degrees is 360. Go to Window and Appearance, and you can adjust the transform effect over here by double clicking on your FX. You can resize the original and everything else will be adjusted automatically. I size it down holding Alt, and now I need to decrease the angle and increase the copies. Let's go to 10 degrees and we need 35 copies, so 36 in total times 10 degrees, but we'll make it even smaller. Once more hold Alt. And I work with the angle and copies. Always make sure that you've got preview checked so that you can see what you're doing. And that looks fine, we can work with that. Now I'll press I for the eyedropper tool and give it the original color. Now let us activate the rectangle tool and I drag a rectangle on top of it, just like this, and I will shift and Alt to resize it slightly. Now right click, arrange and send to back, and I press I for the eyedropper tool and give it the second color. Now it's in the background, you can see it. If we now select it all and use the shape builder tool, we can't really select all of these individual stripes of the sunburst. We first need to select the original, then go to Object and Expand Appearance, and now we've got these 60 individual stripes, and now we can select it, as you can see here. But first we need to size the rectangle down. I'll hold Shift and Alt for that. I select everything and then I align it properly. Now everything is centered. And I select it once more and use the shape builder tool, hold Alt to get rid of the outer stripes. We don't need them anymore. And that's it. Here's our sunburst effect in Illustrator. This is obviously just one way to do it. There are always many ways to achieve it, but this is a quick one. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.